Alright, this is a shot from underneath the car. You can see where the catalytic converter joins the B-pipe. It's completely separated. The driver of this vehicle put a piece of coat wire to hold it together. The studs are completely rusted off. This right here is going to be the catalytic converter. Okay, you want to be very careful because inside there's a ceramic honeycomb. You don't want to break that. If that breaks, the catalytic converter is shot. This is where the O2 sensor sits, and these are going to be your studs. They have to be replaced. So you can see they're badly rusted, so the threads are gone. It's actually pretty easy to remove these studs, so you can buy the replacement part. They're about $4 each at the dealership. You put it in the vise, and you just hit it on the top. I'm going to demonstrate it in a second. And the studs just pop right out. Then you just replace them with new studs. Alright, we already knocked one out. So now we're going to show you how to knock out the other two. It's pretty simple. Basically, you're just going to put it in the vise. Okay, if you notice, this is the vise. You're going to put the stud in a V form of the vise. You're going to use a heavy sledge and just kind of knock it right out. Okay. Next one, same thing. Make sure it's tight in the vise. Just give it a good couple solid hits, and the pin should fall right out. Alright, the next step is we want to put this part number right here. It's going to be 18176P03003 from Honda. These studs just they slip right in. And what you want to do is get a hammer and just gently press it in. Well, as you can see, the studs pressed in quite nicely. You could grind them off. I don't recommend that because if you see the sides here are pretty weak, so I think grinding it would actually probably weaken it more. So you do have a little valley here where you can stick the stud in and just press it in. I'll demonstrate on this one here. So you have the stud right here. Just push it in right in the valley. And just lightly tap it in. Okay, you can see the finished product. We have the new springs in there, correctly put in. The new studs and bolts. Everything is factory from Honda with a nice new gasket, tight seal. The most important part here is that these studs are replaceable. If you spend the time, you have a vise, and it will work.